Alright, so I have a section of track here that was giving me problems. It's right here. So what I did was I cut, and then I cut. We're going to remove it. Just like that. See? It's a bad solder. And I tried to repair it, but you know, code 83 is a little bit difficult. So what we're going to do now is we're going to replace this section. It's about 1.25 inches along this track, as you can see. Gotta get some 83 right now. And I hate to get a brand new piece of track and cut it up, but so here goes the track here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out some rail and then measure the length of it right here. So that's going right there, and mark it with a Sharpie. You want to kind of mark it just slightly a little bit more, only because when you cut it with the Dremel, it's gonna, you know, take a little bit off. You want to give it some room to play with. Now we cut with the Now we'll check and see if the length is good. Let's see here. Kind of a lightweight track crew, isn't it? Replace the rail. Does it fit? Take off a little bit more. See, that's what you want. You rather have a little more than usual rather than be too short. So let's go ahead and take a little bit off with the Dremel again. We'll see if that fits. Just a tad. Just a tad. A little bit more. Just turn it this way a little bit. Let's see. Well, a little bit more. Just a little tiny bit more. Alright, let's see, that should drop right in. And it does. Nice. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to solder this track in.
Hey boy.
Okay, we're going to try to do this. As you can see, the rails dropped into place. So this is going to be kind of a challenge here. I don't have anything supporting it, so I'm going to try to just solder and secure it and then do the other end. So if I mess up, you guys just gonna see me mess up. It's all part of learning. I mean, I've been laying track for a while, but what I'm doing right here is just a little new. Okay, let's see. Get that like that. And a couple times I burnt myself on this thing, just grabbing it, not even paying attention to what I'm doing. Just scoot that up like that. Yeah, just a second here. Wouldn't it be something if I soldered the track upside down? Yeah, it wouldn't work. Okay. Oh, this is going to be difficult. Okay, can we get that in there? Just like that. Well, let's change hands and let's see. Switch left to right. Alright, so we got the solder on there. All we have to do is just adjust it. Because you know, once the solder welds, it'll hold it in place. See that? Okay. There we go. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, we got one side soldered. I'm going to show you guys that solder. You see that? This point and then that point. The side on the left looks a little bit bigger, but it's not. That's just the way the solder is coming through on the camera here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna, get it smoothened out with the Dremel. All right. Okay, so now I'm going to test and see if this is smooth enough. Okay. Yeah, that side's good. And that side's good. We got a test car right here. Yeah, see that? This is a freight car. I just took the body off. That way you can see the track if there's any imperfections in it. Okay. I said, if there's any mistakes in it, then you guys have watched me do it. So smooth. So smooth. You don't hear any clacks. Just right. Thanks for watching.